Welcome back, Crammers, to question 2. On the grid, draw and label its equation with a straight line with equation. Y is equal to 1. So we simply look at the y-axis, which is the vertical axis, and we go 0, 1. So we simply draw a line, and we note this as y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. So we simply go on the x-axis, which is the horizontal axis, and we look for 2. 0, 1, 2, and we draw a line. When we have an equation like x plus y is equal to 7, we simply substitute one of the values as 0 and find the other value. Let's say x is equal to 0, then y is just simply equal to 7. When y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 7. What does that mean? So, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. We can mark that here. When y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 7, we mark that here. And we simply just connect the lines. X plus y is equal to 7. Show by shading on the grid the region that satisfies all three of the inequalities. Y is greater than 1, y is greater than equal to 1, x is greater than equal to 2, x plus y is less than equal to 7. Label the region as R. So, when it is greater than, we always look up or right. When it is less than, we always look down or left. Why? When we have a grid, the top rightmost value is positive, but the bottom leftmost value is negative. So we can assume that less than equal to is down or left, and greater than equal to is up or right. Okay. So we simply look at the equations. Y is equal to 1, but it must be greater than. So we know that it is above this line. So shade on the grid the region that satisfies all three. So I'm just going to shade here for now. So we know that y is greater than equal to 1. X is greater than equal to 2. So we look for x is equal to 2. And since this is greater than, we go to the right. X plus y is equal to 7. X plus y is less than equal to 7. Since this is less than, we simply go down or to the left. So since this is x plus y is equal to 7, we go down or left. And since this is the region, we simply label this as R. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.